Chemical thermodynamics. Last lecture we discussed about the work done, that is pressure volume type of the work done. Today we discuss the work done. There are the two types. First is a work of expansion and second is work of compression. In this case there are two types of the work in thermodynamics: work of the expansion, the decomposition of the H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen peroxide is decomposed, it forms water molecules and oxygen molecule. The gas produced in the above reaction pushes the piston upward so that the mass in the surroundings is raised. In lifting the mass of the system loses the energy to the surroundings with no heat being transferred, a loss of energy by the system is equal to the work done by the system on the surrounding. Hence W is a negative. Means when the gas is expanded, that is that there are the two quantities are formed, water molecules and oxygen molecule, from decomposition of this hydrogen peroxide. Therefore, if the O2 gas is formed, this O2 gas lifts the piston in upward direction. At this time, work is done by the system on the surrounding. At this time, there is heat is loose, that is, the energy is loose to the surrounding and therefore work done is negative. Second type, work done of compression. Consider here the formation of the ammonium chloride from ammonia and hydrogen chloride. As the reaction according to the Gay-Lussac law. This law is studied in the 11th standard, first topic. According to the Gay-Lussac law, the one volume of ammonia reacted with one volume of the hydrogen chloride, it forms the one volume of this ammonium chloride. As the reaction progresses, the gases are consumed. These two gases gets consumed with each other, and when one volume of ammonia and one volume of the hydrogen chloride, there are the two volumes, but the formation of the one volume of the ammonium chloride volume gets compressed, that is resulting in a decrease in the volume. The piston moves in a downward. A decrease in the height of the mass in the process, the surrounding lose the energy to the system and perform the work on the system. The volume decreases, then work is done on the system by the surrounding. If no heat is transferred occurs, work done by the surrounding is equal to gain in energy by the system. Hence, this work done is positive. And these two types are explained in case of the work done in expansion and work done in compression. Next part is the nature of heat. The nature of heat. Heat is form of the energy by which the system exchanges energy with its surroundings. When the system and its surrounding are different temperatures, heat either flows in or let out of the system. This is the about heat. Heat is a form of the energy. It exchanges the energy with its surrounding because there are the system and surroundings are present in the universe. And when the system and its surroundings are different temperatures, then there is heat is flows, either flows in or let out the system. And these are the two concepts are studied in this topic, nature of the heat and nature of work. In this nature of work done, there is work is compression and the expansion. And in nature of the heat, there are some sign conventions. If heat is absorbed, then the system is positive. It is absorbed from the surrounding. Then the heat is positive and heat is evolved from the system to the surrounding. Then this is a negative. That is seen here. Sign conventions of the work and heat energy. The first point Q plus Q. Heat is absorbed by the system from the surroundings. Heat is absorbed by the system from the surrounding, then heat energy is positive. The second statement, the negative Q, that is the minus Q. Heat is released by the system to the surrounding. There is an evolution of the heat in the second case, then heat is negative and absorption of the heat from the surrounding by the system, then heat is positive. The second is a work done. Work is done on the system. Work is done on the system by the surrounding, then work done is positive. And work is done by the system on the surrounding, then work done is negative. If positive work done is present, then work is done on the system. Negative work done is present, work is done by the system. Then these are the four sign conventions with the absorption of the heat energy and the work done. Then they are the positive and evolution of the heat energy and work is done by the system on the surrounding. Then heat energy and work done gets negative. These are the sign conventions are the most important for determination of the work and heat energy which is absorbed by the system or evolved by the system. They are depends on these sign conventions. Thank you.